In this lecture, we are going to study 3 items. First is the console connection, then setting the enable password, and then in setting the enable secret password. So, first topic, console connection. You know, in our routing devices or switching devices do not have any keyboard on them and do not have any display on them, display screen. There is no display screen. So how to send it the commands and how to see its output? In that case, we have to connect these devices with our computers. So to have such connection, we have two methods. Either directly connect a laptop or a desktop with this router. That method is called the console connection method. Another method is we are in a network, in a big network. We are remotely logging in other devices like routers and switches. That we will study later on, but right now we are seeing the console connection where our device, our desktop or laptop computer directly connected with the switch or the router. To connect our laptop or desktop, we connect them in the console port of router or switch. Okay, so look, for that purpose we use console cable, this blue color cable. I pick it. In the laptop, I will connect it with the RS-232 port, and in the router I will connect it with the console connection. Okay. So the connection has been established. Now from laptop I can send the commands to router 3. Let's go, and there in the desktop, and I have to hit the terminal. So I went to hit the terminal. These are some configuration, and we will keep the same configuration. So I said okay. Oh, this is not the PC, this is not the laptop anymore, this is the screen of the router, because you are familiar with this screen. Okay, so and you are very much familiar. Would you like to enter the initial configuration? And we always say no. Okay, so return to get started, and we are on the router prompt. Okay, and from there, you know, we can write the enable, and we have come to the privilege mode, and there we write the conf t, and we come to the global configuration mode. Okay, so this is the console connection. Now I'm going to the second item, that is enable password. We are setting password on router to access actually its enable mode, or it's this prompt. Router has 3 modes or 3 different prompts. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So the whatever the password we are setting right now, that is called the enable password, is for this mode, correct? So the command is enable password, and I choose the password Cisco. Word Cisco is my password, and I hit the enter key. So password has been set. So we have to see, we have to verify if it has been set or not. So I exit from here. There I am. I exited from here. I am out now. I hit the enter key. Here I am, and I will write the enable. It is asking me password. Now when I provide the password, it will not show me stars. I am hitting right now password. I am providing it password, the word Cisco, and I provided the correct password. So I have come to the privilege mode. Okay, so from here, okay, we have set the password and it's working fine until now. So I want to see in the running configuration file how this password entry. Okay, so show running config. So running configuration file is open in front of me. This is my command that I used, and there you see enable password Cisco. Everything is written in the clear text. Okay, there it's written more, so it means I will hit the space bar, it will show me more. I will again more, so I hit the space bar, it showed me more. Again more, I hit the space bar, more, and again the space bar, and now running configuration file finished. Okay, so that's how we set the enable password. Now we are moving to the third thing, that is enable secret password. So there because we have to configure something, so we will go to the configure terminal, and the command for enable secret password is enable secret, and the password I am setting is Cisco 123. Okay, and I am exiting from here, and I exit from here, and there I write enable. Again, the important thing is enable password, the second item, and the third item, that is enable secret, are the password, both are the password for the same mode. Okay, so actually for the same mode, now I have configured two different password. One is this second item, the other one is this third item, and for enable password was the Cisco, while enable secret password is the Cisco 123. So which one I shall provide right now? Which one is active right now? If I have set two different passwords, enable password and enable secret password for this privileged mode, then this enable secret always have higher precedence. I have to provide this password. Okay, so you know that stars will not appear. I am providing it the password Cisco 123, and it is yes, it has come to the next level. Okay, and there we always see it in the running configuration file. So show running. So look in my running configuration file, this was the command I gave show running config, and these are the passwords. This is the enable password, and this is the enable secret password. So the difference between these two passwords is that enable password is saved in the running configuration file in plain text format, as you can see this Cisco, while enable secret password, which was Cisco 123 in our case, is stored in encrypted form. So this is the difference between these two passwords. And remember, if we have set both password, then enable secret always have precedence. To log in the privileged mode, we have to provide the enable secret password. So that's all.